Hello cute children, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a makeup kit for you. So this is a surprise, this is a gift for girls. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. So for this purpose we have to put our page in horizontal shape, like not vertical, it's horizontal should be. Okay, then we have to draw here a side eyeshadow, sorry. So first of all we have to draw a line, straight line. Try to make it straight, if not, no problem, because we are just for having fun. So it's enough. Then we have to go this. Okay, it's enough. So now we have to draw here the same line straight. Okay, then you can meet these points, like you can turn your paper and go straight. Okay, and then meet these points. Okay, amazing. So now what is the next step? Next step, we have to draw, we have to do partition. So in two parts, like with straight line. Okay, amazing. So now it's we have to follow this line, we have to make a mirror inside. It's enough, and more we have to go. Okay, and come down again, and we have to meet these 2 points. Amazing. So now it's turn to make a down part, like it we will put color like this and come down again and go straight. Okay, so now we have to do partition in equal. We have to try it in equal. Okay, 2 lines, and then we have to divide in 6 box, because these are for colors. Okay, so now it's time to make a what? Smiley face. Always we made. So I will make a smiley face. Okay, like this. Okay, first step. And this is the teeth, and this is also teeth, and this is the, we have to fill this part. Okay, so now what's more? Eyes. So we have to draw a circle and one inside circle, and here as well we have to draw a circle, one inside, and what we have to fill, I fill it quickly. So now eyelashes, I make it. So amazing. So now it's turns to make a like brush, one brush. I will make it here. Equal lines, come down. Okay, then the shape. Okay, one box here, and you can make a box here, and you can make oval shape here, one this type, and here this type. Okay, so now I make a different here, the overall set for you. So now it's time to make a here lipstick. So for this purpose we have to draw first of all bottom, okay, of lipstick. go upper, draw a line, and then we have to do partition like basement. This is the basement, and you can make a round and then meet these points. Okay, and now let's go to like this, again meet these points, and then the last step we have to go up here as well, up, and make it like this, and the last we make lipstick. Okay, it's going a little bit outer side, so here you have to draw like this, and then you have to draw like this. Okay, so now it's the next part, it's for nail polish. So for this purpose again we have to draw basement like this. Okay, and now we have to draw with this line, and now it's same like this. Okay, and because of our always we see it's the bottle, and then your nail polish is inside like this. Okay, so now we have to meet these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points, and then like the brush, the inside is brush, but the outer side we have to hold it for holding it. Okay, so now it's more, we make it a heart here. Okay, amazing. So now it's a brush, I will draw it here for your cheeks, like you have to use it and make it for. So now you have to draw base, the same line I will draw here. Okay, I will meet this like, and this little bit oval shape like, and now it's okay. So now we have to meet this line like this, because of this is brush. Okay, so you can draw like these lines, so it is more realistic look like. So here, but we have to make a joint like this, because of we have to join it this. Amazing. So our drawing is almost complete, but the missing is now colors. So I meet you after color. So cute children's, after color our drawing is ready. I have used pink and different colors, but it's your own choice. You can make here as well different colors, and red, pink, blue, which color you like for lipstick, for nail polish, and you can choose your own choice. So I would like to say, please subscribe my channel and to have fun, and if it's not correct, no problem, we are just having fun here. And please watch always full video and share your friends, because of you can make together one thing. So please be careful. Until the next video, we meet in next video. Take care, bye bye.